Hey everyone, when multiple team members are working on different tasks, it can be challenging to know who has too much work and who has extra capacity. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage workload in Asana, balance assignments, and keep your team working efficiently. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Asana and sign in to your account. Then go to the Workload section from your workspace or portfolio area. Workload gives you a visual overview of tasks assigned to each team member and helps you understand how work is distributed. Once Workload opens, you'll see team members displayed with their assigned tasks across a timeline. Each person's workload is shown based on the tasks they have scheduled. This makes it easier to spot overloaded teammates and identify available capacity. Next, review your team's capacity settings. You can adjust capacity based on how much work each person can realistically handle. For example, someone working part-time may have less available capacity compared to a full-time team member. Look for areas where team members have too many tasks scheduled at the same time. If someone's workload is too high, you can review their assignments and decide whether to move tasks, adjust deadlines, or redistribute responsibilities. To balance your team's workload, open a task and update the assignee, due date, or priority. You can move tasks to another teammate who has more availability or adjust timelines to make deadlines more realistic. Small changes can make a big difference. Workload becomes even more useful when connected with projects and portfolios. Managers can compare multiple projects, track team capacity, and make better decisions before assigning new work. To keep your team balanced, review workload regularly. Before starting a new project or adding more tasks, check everyone's availability. Consistent workload reviews help prevent burnout and keep projects moving smoothly. And that's how to manage workload in Asana. By monitoring capacity, balancing assignments, and adjusting priorities, you can help your team stay organized and complete projects more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Asana tutorial.